Hi, my name is Valentin Dubuc. I am co-founder and responsible for the business development and partnerships at Mind in a Box. So Mind in a Box is a fairly young company with 25 plus years of experience, well, born from 25 plus years of experience in the ERP sector with Microsoft, with whom we're Microsoft Gold partners. And so about 5 years ago, we started having questions from our clients. They needed help in us bringing them the advanced analytics and AI tool they need to go beyond what we could bring them at the time only within the Microsoft ecosystem. And as such, our teams have been hard at work to create from the ground up a very unique solution called Mind in a Box that's there to empower companies with such tools. So today we're very proud and happy to have world-class partners such as Expo to expand on our solutions, and we're seeing a strong growth actually in the market with Mind in a Box. We are having clients and partners all around the globe, and so I'd say also that we are in an exciting position as disruptors in the advanced analytics and AI space, as well as in IoT and edge computing. So in a few words, what Mind in a Box is, well, it's both the name of the company as well as in our family of products. So Mind in a Box is an integrated solution that is there to jumpstart your entire hybrid analytics and AI infrastructure. So we have a wide range of solutions, either proprietary or from our world-class partners, that is there to support your operations, either in advanced analytics or AI. And so they're supported and accelerated on either one or two of our edge computing appliances, the Mind in a Box Zen and the Mind in a Box Catalyst. The Mind in a Box Zen is a small edge computing appliance, very powerful for high frequency ingestion of all of your data, whatever its source and wherever it's located, to bring you actionable intelligence. So that's for advanced analytics, geoanalytics, artificial intelligence. Then we have the Mind in a Box Catalyst, which is a larger GPU-powered edge computing appliance that we've developed in collaboration with NVIDIA that is dedicated to artificial intelligence. And so while these two solutions have been developed as standalone solutions, they are also engineered in a way that when they work together, they bring a lot of capabilities and power and much more components. So we'll get more to this later, but essentially with Mind in a Box, the integrated solution that packages the hardware, software, and the services, we help solve challenges for three main markets: data intelligence, intelligent networks, and edge computing. So for data intelligence, it's really about, again, getting all of your data out there, bringing you actionable intelligence for advanced analytics, geoanalytics, artificial intelligence. Then we have the second market, intelligent networks, where we bring components such as network and application performance monitoring with solutions such as Exceed and Skylight, as well as infrastructure monitoring, log analytics, and cybersecurity with SOC and SIEM components. So the goal here is really to give you a 360 view of your entire IT operations and secure them. And then our third market, edge computing, we natively ingest all of your data, all of your IoT data for Industry 4.0 context, mobility, smart buildings, smart cities, or intelligent supply chain management. So that's a little bit what we do. Again, all of our solutions are pre-packaged, pre-integrated, accelerated on our two appliances, the Zen and the Catalyst. They come with a full set of services. So from the provisioning to the deployment and the managed services and the training, everything is included. They're turnkey solutions that are essentially plug and play and that are built just like the cloud monthly, but at a significantly lower total cost of ownership. So maybe we can jump on some of the challenges that Mind in a Box solves. So again, we talked about the three main markets that we operate in, so data intelligence, intelligent networks, and edge computing. And so that helps us solve a lot of problems and challenges on a wide range of industries. But if I could try to narrow down on one single, most common problem that we solve, it's the impossibility for our clients to go to the cloud, or at least to fully rely on the cloud for every single aspect. So what I mean by that is that there's a reason why we are an edge computing a solution. One of them is for performance reasons. So there are many instances where our clients just cannot rely on the cloud because of performance reasons. I can think of manufacturing clients for Industry 4.0 or for AI model training. You need very high performance, and for this, you just simply cannot go to the cloud. It's not the best solution for it. So that's one reason of it. Another one is also security and the latest regulations and legislation. So with now the GDPR in Europe and the CCPA in California, there's also the new laws coming up in Canada. Many of our clients just cannot go for the cloud. They're just not allowed to go to the cloud. So I can give a few examples. In the telecommunication industry, where we supply a lot of solutions for, they're not allowed to go to the cloud. For the public sector, same thing for the healthcare. And so for these instances, we bring the tool they need in advanced analytics and AI, but at the edge, not in the cloud, and so they're able to use these solutions. So I don't want to sound like we're against the cloud. It's actually completely the opposite. We're there to complement the cloud. We interface perfectly with the cloud, but we also bring advantages over the cloud. So we discussed about performance, we discussed about security, but we also we are built just like the cloud, but we're also at a significantly lower price point than the cloud. So something to keep in mind. Now, maybe we can see also a little bit where Accidian and Skylight fits into this ecosystem of solutions. So Minebox is an ecosystem of solutions, of partnerships. Again, we talk proprietary and world-class solutions, partner solutions. And so Minebox is, Accidian is really in the center of this. So there's much value in our ecosystem because our partners are usually already working with one another. So if I can give you a few examples, Accidian is already a partner of our partners, Splunk and Centrion. Centrion is already a partner of Splunk, Elastic, and Accidian. Splunk is already a partner of Elastic, Accidian, and Splunk. So all of our partners already are working together, natively works and talk to one another and complement one another. And so when you bring all of these solutions and you bring them under one roof, accelerated in the Mind-in-a-Box ecosystem, it doesn't only add up and addition their respective value, but actually multiply the value out of these solutions. It's really exponential in this case. And so that's why we're really happy and proud to have Accidian and Skylight into our ecosystem, because it plays a central piece into that. So while we really love the solution ourselves and our clients love it as well, it's also a necessary component for us into bringing true 360-degree holistic observability to companies large and small. So now maybe we can talk a little bit, just give a few use cases and examples of what we've done with our customers with Mind-in-a-Box. And so we could start maybe with the telecommunication industry, where we're very strong. So we work right now, we're about to start a new project with Indonesia's largest telecommunication company. In conjunction with Accidian Skylight, everything supported into the Mind-in-a-Box to monitor the performance of their network for up to 180 million subscribers. So really not too bad. Then we also work with Canada's largest telecommunication carrier as well, Bell Canada, where we are responsible for their advanced analytics, their geoanalytics, as well as their cybersecurity, so with Mind-in-a-Box, Elastic, and Splunk. So two examples with the telecommunication market. Maybe I can give one or two also with the supply chain context in industry. So there we work with Logistic Unicorps and Simplex, for instance, where we tackle the challenges that are maybe the most prominent right now since COVID, with the supply chain and transportation, very complex issues. And so we help them with the Mind-in-a-Box, and we also go as far as bringing them advanced analytics and AI tools on top of a digital twin of their inventory. So very strong tools for them. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of what we do. Again, we solve challenges for a wide range of companies and contexts. And so maybe to finish, I'd like to share maybe how the 4X partner program helps Mind-in-a-Box, in our case, for the go to market and into expanding into for us in different markets and industries. So really the 4X partner program we find is really great. We find that we work closer with Excidian than with any other of our partners thanks to that program, and there are very good reasons for it. First, it gives us amazing value and access to an incredible quality, catalog of content that helps us into, when we're prospecting and presenting and demonstrating the value of Skylight to our clients. At the same time, we have access to, of course, training materials, to demonstration environments where we want to demonstrate the platform and its value to our clients. But we also have access to great programs such as the Monetary Marketing Development Funds program, the Webinar in the Box, the Campaign in the Box program, which helps us, with the go-to-market strategy and how to actually apply this strategy and every step of the way with great support from the Excidian team. We also have access to great, resources and experts, certified experts from Excidian whenever we need to respond to public tenders with the CXP team. So really, it's quite extensive, but overall, if I had to just give one single thing, is that we find that Excidian is extremely responsive and eager to help its partners, such as Mind in a Box, whenever we need help, whenever we're creating new initiatives. And on that note, I'd like maybe to finish and say, with a little tease, that we're about very soon to announce with Excidian that we're preparing a big webinar where we will explain exactly how Mind in a Box and Excidian interact together and within that ecosystem with Splunk and Excidian Microsoft. So stay tuned for more on that.